I literally woke up on the wrong side of the bed. I started off on that side, and when I woke up, I ended up over here somehow. Bruh, cats everywhere. Kitty, kitty. Mamas. Come on, Tabitha, get out. Get out. I bet you'll get out if I turn that water on. Woke up at 6. It's around 6:30 now, getting everything prepped, and we're gonna go fishing in a few minutes. Alright, back at the house now. We went fishing, we came home, and then we left and we did some errands. We ran to a few stores, returned some stuff, exchanged some stuff, and then we came back to the house, and now we are smoking. We're getting ready to smoke some meat out there. We just turned it on and put some wood pellets in there. We got cherry and forgot what else, but yeah. Checking the smoked meat right now. Got beautiful meat. Hey, Dad.
What?
I'm gonna take a picture of you, okay?
Okay.
Hold on, it's not focusing.
Where you going?
It's not focusing.
You doing something.
It won't focus and my camera's messed up.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, I'm trying. You gotta smile.
I was smiling.
You gotta
I think you're videoing.
Why would I be doing that? I'm trying to take a picture. I gotta see them pearly whites. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now it won't focus. It just went out of focus. Alright, one more time. Hold on.
Do you have your vision card with you, Tyler?
No.
What do I need to do, Mark, when I take it? What are you doing?
I don't know what you're doing.
I was recording you the whole time.
I knew you were talking. You recorded me. He said, "Oh, focus."